Hello guys and welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be trading the Canadian dollar GDP, and the currency we're going to be using is Canadian dollar JPY. You can see on my screen I'm working with the same account which I'm using for my strategy. The same account I was trading with last week. As you can see on my screen, let me see if I can show you on my screen. All right, so as you can see on my screen, that is the same account. That is the same account I was using last week. The last news I took the account to 17,000. So you can see that is the same account balance, right? And you can see that is a live account. So we are not doing this on a demo account. So my main target is to take this account from 8,000 to 50,000. So I'm at the level of 17,000. So let's see how this particular news event will go from here. All right. So as you guys already know, according to the strategy, we're going to be trading GDP for Canadian dollar, and the currency pair we're going to be trading is Canadian dollar JPY. So here we have to calculate our leverage. We go under yes, Forex and Canadian dollar JPY, and our account balance is 17,000. So good, 17,000. So the lot size we're going to be using, according to this calculation, let's calculate, is 17,000 and Forex Canadian dollar JPY. So we can use up to a lot size of 100. Remember, this is a very risky strategy. You guys already know. So here I put my lot size. I can even go with let me go with 90, and then I set my stops. Okay, my buy stop. So I place my sell stop. My sell stop is just going to go here, and I'm going to be targeting just to get it. Since I'm trading the Canadian dollar and JPY, I'm not targeting that much. I'm not targeting that much on today's news event. So let me push this up a little bit. Then this one goes here. Okay. So let's see. The news is out. The news is out. Let's see how it goes. The news is out. Let's see which one is going to trigger. Okay. I'm going to also close my alarm. My alarm is still on. So my sell stop has already been triggered. Let's see what direction the news is going to take from the website. On the website we have good. So the news has to be triggered on the opposite direction. There's a high probability that the news is going to go down. So let's see which direction the news is triggered. Good. The news is actually going up. So let's just wait and see. Let's just wait and see. Let's just wait and see which direction the news is going to take. I'm already triggered on the sell stop. So I have, according to my law, according to my rules, I need to close this particular position. All right. So I need to close this position immediately and wait to see the direction of the market. If you go back to the website, you can see the news came out and it was negative for the Canadian dollar. So we're expecting the market to go down. We're expecting the chart to go down, right? So that is why I'm still holding the position. And you can see on the website, we've just been in for 1 minute, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. We've just been in for 1 minute, 27 seconds. Highest is 5 minutes. We're going to be out of this trade. All right. And this website is for us to calculate our positions. So let's go back here. Let's go back to empty. Good. You can see we're in the trade. You can see we are down, even though we are still down with 1,000 something. Remember, this is a very risky strategy. So we are over leveraging the account. But let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes from here. Because I'm expecting the market to go down. You can see from here, the news was actually bearish. The news was negative for the Canadian dollar. And since I'm trading the Canadian dollar and JPY, I'm expecting the market to drop. All right, I'm expecting the market to drop.
A few minutes later.
So let's see how it goes. Okay, guys, as you can see, we are just about we are about 4 minutes into the trade, and we've moved from minus 2,000 to now about break even. So we are now about break even. My target is at least $3,000 on this particular trade. All right, because the GDP is not so powerful, and I'm still holding. I'm still holding. I've already defined my rules on this trade. I know when to get in and when to get out. If it doesn't go my way, then I will comfortably lose $3,000 on this particular trade. But if it goes my way, that is my target. So I'm still holding. You can see we are up now and we are in profit. We are fluctuating, and that is $600 profit, $1,500 profit. Let's go, guys. Let's see how it goes. I'm still going to be holding for a couple of minutes so that we can see if we're going to be able to hit that particular target. $2,000, $3,000. Let's just see, guys. Let's hold on tight for a couple of minutes. Let's just hold on for a couple of minutes to go. You can see on my screen, you can see on my chart, the market is falling at a rapid rate. But let's see if we're going to be able to hit that target.
A few minutes later.
Just a couple of minutes to go. So you can see on my screen, we're still fluctuating between 2,000 and 1,500, 2,000 and 1,500. And I'm looking for at least $3,000 on this particular trade, at least $3,000. So let's see how far we can go. You can see the momentum is actually down out here. The momentum is actually down out at this particular level. But if I can have just about 2 candles or 1 candle pulling down again on the bearish direction, or if I can have sellers coming in at this level to push the market down for about 10 pips, then I'm going to be out of the trade. So let's see, guys. Let's see. You can see that is my target hit. That is my target. That is my target, guys. I'm out and out. That's 4,600. I'm closing the position, guys. I'm closing the position. Boom. You can see how much is that? $5,217. Boom, 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 boom. I just hit that is my target. My target was about 3,500, but that is $5,217 just hit. That is the same account. The same account now is on I think I don't know how my screen can show. You can see that is $21,656. So I just took my account from 17,000 to now 21,000. It's the same account. Last week it was on 17,000, I think $17,068, and today it is on $21,655. That is a gain of $5,217. Boom, 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 boom. I think, our target on this particular trade is to take this account from 8,000 to 50,000. At this level, we are on 21,000. We are at the 21,000 level, right? So we are done with the trade guide. We are done with the trade. If you can look on my computer, you can see the market is still looking as if it might push down. You can see the market is still making as if it might push down, but we got in somewhere here. According to the news, you need to remember what we are even doing. According to the news, we are trading the Canadian dollar and GDP. The GDP dropped. You can see it's red, meaning the Canadian dollar was expected to drop. And the same thing happened. Since it was expected to drop, see what happened. We got into the trade somewhere here, and the market has been dropping. We got out somewhere here with 5,000 something dollars, and the market is still dropping. Since then, guys, the market is still dropping. So I wish I was still in a trade. I wish my trade was still open, but no regret. There are no regret. There are sometimes you shouldn't be too greedy. So my 5,000 is enough, and I'm out. $5,217 is enough for me for the day, and the market is still dropping. You can see the market is still dropping. If I was still in a trade, then that would already be about $25,000 gain from a $17,000 account. But I'm already out. The strategy is there. The strategy is there. If you know how to follow the rules, this strategy will never fail you. This strategy will never fail you if you know how to follow the rules. And I was ready for anything before I got into the trade. Before you get into any trade, you should predefine your risks, all right? You should predefine your risks. Before I got into this trade, I defined my risks. If the highest I could lose on this particular trade was $2,500. So I was able to lose I was ready to lose $2,500 from a $17 account. And if the trade goes my way, I was targeting between 4,000 and 5,000 since the GDP news is not too powerful. But see what happened. The market, we got in somewhere here, and the market has been pushing down with force. The market has been pushing down ever since. My sell stop was here, my buy stop was here, and my sell stop got triggered, and I've been pushing down very soon. And I'm up with how much? I'm up with $5,217 today, and I'm done for the day. Guys, if you want to see more videos, more live videos like this, please watch this other video which I'm going to leave the link. I'm going to leave the link here, and also watch this other video which also watch this news. Last week I traded the NFP, and this is a video which I was able to hit almost about $17,000 or almost about $8,000 on one trade. And if you love these live videos and you want to continue seeing more, please do click here to subscribe to the channel, and also click the like on the video so that the YouTube algorithm can be boosted. If you want a broker, the same broker I'm using to trade every day, check the link below. The link of the broker is below. They use IC Market. IC Market is the best broker for news trading. So check the video description to be able to use the same broker, and also check my Telegram group on the video description. If you want to be a channel member, the link is also on the video description. Stay profitable.